The EWS extension identifies an Ensoniq wavesample file containing sampled instrument audio data for Ensoniq synthesizer and sampler hardware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you convert, play, or manage these vintage synthesizer sample files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor EWS errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. EWS files are sample files from Ensoniq synthesizers and samplers, including the EPS ASR and TS series. They contain digitized audio waveform data with loop points, velocity layers, and key mapping information for use in Ensoniq's hardware-based sampling instruments. Ensoniq EWS files use a proprietary format storing 16-bit audio samples with loop point definitions, multi-sample key range assignments, velocity crossfade parameters, and instrument patch metadata specific to Ensoniq's sampling architecture. The recommended application from FMJ software for handling EWS is unequivocally Awave Studio. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows supports many audio formats, but thorough editing or repair must be done with specialized tools. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your EWS file and click Open With. Test with Awave Studio first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. If the EWS file won't budge, stay calm. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your EWS file from opening correctly. First, converting samples. Use Awave Studio or CDXtract to convert Ensoniq EWS files to modern formats, including WAV sound font and contact. These tools read the Ensoniq sample format and export audio data with loop points, preserved for use in software samplers and DAWs. Next, loading in software samplers. After converting EWS samples to WAV or sound font format, load them into software samplers like Contact Halion or SFZ compatible players. Map the converted samples across the keyboard and configure velocity layers to recreate the original Ensoniq instrument behavior. Finally, preserving vintage sounds. Archive original EWS files alongside converted versions for preservation of vintage Ensoniq synthesizer sounds. The unique character of Ensoniq's converters and filters gives these samples a distinctive quality valued in electronic music production. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.